Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can upload your products. So you need to log in your store first, then you will go to products. Then from here you have option for import products by CSV, or you can actually add products from here. So if I click on add products, then I need to import a product title. Let's say I want to upload a t-shirt. Then t-shirt description. Then I need to add an image. Let me find a t-shirt image. Let's say this is the image I want to add. Then I need to input my price. Let's say $20. Then I can actually select the location. It's basically the warehouse setup. So if you have multiple warehouse, then this is the first warehouse in my store. So I can setting that I have 100 unit available. Okay, and this is the physical product. You have two options here. You can input SKU number here, and you can track quantity or not. Okay, so if you uncheck this, the quantity will be not tracked. And then the weight, so let's say it's 0, 2, and you can use custom information here, and you have the product option. That's basically the variant. So if I check on that, then I can say the size S, M, L, none, and we have, say for example, we have a couple of colors: black, red, yellow. Done. So if you want to change the price for a large size, let's say it's 22x, 22 for large one, that's fine, you can change it. Then from the product status, you need to select it at active. Also, if you want, you can schedule the availability. Then you can insert the type, apparel. You can set the vendor with your brand name. Then you can select the collection, whichever collection you want to put for this product. And tags, you can use whatever tags you want. That's basically for you to organize your products. So that's it. Then you need to hit on the save. Now if I preview this, so this is our product, and we have the options for different sizes. Whenever I'm selecting L, then the price is changing to 22. Whenever I'm selecting M, it's 20. And we have a couple of colors. Okay, so that's basically it for adding products, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.